Man, I love sandwiches. They're the best. I can eat 10 of... Wait, what was that? Hic! You just got the hiccups, silly. It's because you were eating way too fast. I was? But why does eating fast make it happen? Okay, check this out. Inside your body, right under your lungs, there's this big muscle called the diaphragm. It helps you breathe. When you eat or drink really fast or get super excited, it can upset that muscle. And then it spasms. It moves up and down really fast, like it's having a dance party, but a bad one. This super fast movement sucks a bunch of air down your throat, but your vocal cords go, nope, and they snap shut hard. That's the sound you make. Hic! So my muscle is just having a freak out? That's not fair! It makes it hard to talk. Hic! Yup, it's a complete accident. Is that why drinking water hic works? Because it makes hic the muscle calm down? That's right, Max. It helps relax the diaphragm. Huh. That's hic interesting. Exactly. Drinking water can help reset the muscle, sort of like giving it a break. Or, some people say being scared works too.
Hey, wait, my hiccups are gone. It actually worked. You scared them out of me. I told you.
Okay, everyone. Max finally stopped napping, but what's the weirdest way you have ever gotten rid of the hiccups? Yeah, let us know. I need more tricks. Hic. Oh, don't worry, Bear Max. They'll come back. Ah, no they won't. No they won't. Dang it. So now you know why we hiccup. Pretty cool, right? If you like learning about weird stuff like this, you have to hit that like button. And don't keep all this cool knowledge to yourself. Share this video with all your friends who get the hiccups all the time, just like Max. And for even more awesome farm adventures and funny facts, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that bell. Thanks for watching.